Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video, we're going to be making some custom TAKASHI MURAKAMI. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But we're going to be making some custom knockoff version of some Vans. I got these shoes from Dollar General. They're only $5. $5. And I'm going to leave the link in the description of where I got these iron-on patch from. And you're also going to need a mini iron. The mini iron I got from Amazon, probably like $11, not sure. I got it a while back ago. But all you're going to do is just place down the patch wherever you want on the shoes. And with the iron, I put my iron on the heat of high. So that's why, obviously, in like 2 seconds, you already see that it's transferring onto the shoes. And the plastic is already starting to melt. So that's what I'm doing right there. And by the way, these only take like 2 seconds to iron on. And if you iron it on and you realize that it's not transferring, that means that there is not enough heat. So just go back over it again with your iron and it should transfer under properly. And this is basically the whole video. It's quick and easy. So we're going to be doing this all over the shoes. I think I had 6 stickers, 6 patches. So we're going to be using all of them. It's pretty easy to remove and to use. Just figure out where you want to place it and just iron it on. And you can do this for any type of shoes that you want. I'm very gentle with how I'm rubbing the iron across because I don't want the patch to be shifting around. Because when the heat is transferring on there, if you're just rubbing the iron straight across, then it's going to start to mess up. And it's going to start to crumble up. So when you remove it, it's just going to be like a black puddle. That's because there was too much heat and you were moving around the iron. So just move the iron slowly across so that it can transfer on there. And then just remove the little plastic off of it. And you can just press down the iron on there as you go all over the patch and then remove it. Whichever way you want to do it is fine. Just don't be rubbing the iron across it because you're going to mess it up. So, yep. By the way, you can also get these patches off Etsy's, but it's going to take a while to get to you, obviously because of what's going on outside. But it's the exact same price. It all depends on if you want it fast. I just wanted to take the little sweet time to get to you. Be very careful with the iron because the iron is very hot. And if the iron can burn through your sheets or blanket, just imagine what it would do with your skin. So be very mindful of that. Watch your hand placement of how you're handling it. Because I've burned myself a ton of times. So this is how the shoes turned out pretty good. The top part of it, there was too much heat and there wasn't any support in the back of the shoe, so it just crumpled. But other than that, I love it. I'm thinking about painting the gray pink, but who knows? Probably just leave it just the way how it is. But I hope that you guys like this video, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next DIY. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!